Okay, cool. So for the next question, we'll basically look through this. Again, this is kind of kept out over here lah, because it's asking about before and after. But this is a little bit confusing actually. I would say the best word to phrase this is actually maybe before and during. Okay, but yeah, essentially, hold up, there's a thing here. Okay, I'm in the airport actually. That's why there will be a bit of announcement here and there. But anyway, let's come back to the question over here. So basically, what happened over here is that they want you to compare between what is the respiration before you do something very hectic, very tired, compared to after. So I think you can see already like this. I mean, what kind of respiration we can compare? It's only always about aerobic and fermentation. That's why it's essentially just about aerobic and fermentation. Okay, so I will do it like this. So very simple. This one is aerobic respiration. This one is aerobic respiration. The other one would be, remember, make it specific. Make it specific. Lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation. Okay, yep. And I believe now moving on should be very simple. How we talk about what? We talk about oxygen, glucose, energy, and the product. So for the oxygen, you just said oxygen is enough. Oxygen is not enough, for example. Okay, yep. And for the glucose also very simple. Just talk about glucose also very simple. Just talk about whether or not it is completely or incompletely broken down. So glucose is broken down completely or incompletely. Completely or incompletely. And energy, definitely, yes, we can talk about the energy. So over here they wanted to talk about the ATP lah. So you can say 38 ATP molecule is produced, and then 2 ATP molecule is produced. Finally, the product, yes, just compare whether or not they produce lactic acid. So lactic acid is not produced. This one, lactic acid is produced. Okay, cool. Now last one is about this is actually a bit extra. So just an extra point over here, just a very extra point over here. You can also talk about actually the what the okay, I think a bit hard to say, but basically it's the term oxygen depth. So you can say basically this is a normal situation, but under the situation of so-called lactic acid fermentation, you're actually under oxygen depth. So there is a specific condition you are under, which is called oxygen depth. Okay, now this one they just want to add a point over here to highlight the point that this is happening under oxygen depth. Okay, that's it for this question. Okay.